Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Xero to Excel. To follow along, make sure you're signed into Xero and you're on your organization's homepage. From here, we'll use Xero's built-in reporting tools to get a clean export that opens directly in Excel. First, head to the reporting section in the main navigation. This is where Xero groups all its financial and management reports. Instead of picking from a short list, open the full library by selecting all reports. This view makes it easy to find exactly what you need. Next, locate the balance sheet and open it. We're using the balance sheet for this example because it's a common report to export and share, but the export steps you'll see here apply to most Xero reports. Once the report loads, set the reporting date. The balance sheet is an as-at report, which means you're choosing a single date, typically the end of a month, quarter, or year. Click into the date field to open the calendar, then select the date you want to report on. If you're preparing figures for a closing period, make sure the date matches your accounting cutoff so the numbers line up with your ledger and any prior exports. After you've chosen the date, scroll down the report. Look toward the bottom right area of the page and you'll find the export option. This button is your gateway to downloading the report in different formats. Click Export and then choose the Excel option. Xero will generate an .xlsx file and begin the download. Depending on your browser settings, the file may appear in your downloads bar or your default downloads folder. If the download doesn't start, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or downloads from Xero. That's all it takes to get your balance sheet into Excel. The exported file preserves headings and totals so you can sort, filter, or add your own schedules without retyping data. If you rely on naming conventions, consider renaming the file with the report title and the reporting date so it's easy to find later. And if you need a different report, like profit and loss or an age receivable summary, open that report first and repeat the exact same export steps from the export button. You now know how to navigate to reporting, open the balance sheet, set the correct date, and export straight to Excel. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along in real time.